Good morning, students. So today is your Hindi class now. So we are going to learn some new Vyanjans. Our first Vyanjan for today is Vyanjan Pa. Vyanjan Pa. Let's learn some new words related to it. Pa se papita. Pa se pahad. Pahad, you know, mountains. Pa se palang. Palang is bed. Pa se patang. Pa se patang. Then we have pa se parchai. Parchai is your shadow. The boy is standing and this is your parchai. Pa se patta. So let's learn how to write this letter. Vyanjan pa. Pa se patang. For this you will have to come to page number 6767 of your Akshar Lekhan notebook, your blue notebook. Write down date here. Kaksha Karya is already written, so we will write only the date. 1414.8.2020. Let's start writing. From which line you will start? Line number 2. 1, 2, 2. You are going to first make a U-shaped curve, and then when you will go in this line, you will come back again till blue line and then make a sleeping line. See once again on the dots. From second blue line, you will make a standing line, you will cross the third line, then you will make a curve. Then here you can do like this, go upward and then come back down and the final dash. Or if you do not want to do like this, then make a standing line, make a curve, then just make one standing line from this blue line to final fourth line or the blue line. This is yours. Pa se patang. Pa se patang. This whole page we have done in class. Now we will learn about another Vyanjan. This is Vyanjan Fa. This is Vyanjan Fa. And it is almost similar to Vyanjan Pa. Only it is having this curve extra. Okay. So this is Vyanjan Fa. Vyanjan Fa. Fa se fal. Fa se fun. Fun is head of the snake. Fa se fun. Fa se Ferrari. Ferrari is a car's name. Fa se Fafola. This is a burn, you can say, and when it's filled with water, it looks like this. Fa se Fafola, and then fa se Fata. Fa se Fata. Teared away thing. Fa se Fata. Now we will learn to write this Vyanjan. Date we will write. Let's start. It is very much similar to Vyanjan Pa. Only one curve extra we will make. Okay. Standing line, you will cross this third line, make a curve. Then make a standing line from blue line to blue line. Then make one another downward curve. This is Vyanjan Fa. Vyanjan Fa. Once again, see here without the dots. Only on single dot we will do. From blue line you will start. You will cross this second blue line. Then you will make a curve like this. After you have made a curve, make a standing line. And then where you have finished this curve, make one another downward curve like this. And the final dash. This is your Vyanjan Fa. Fa se fun. Fa se fal. Fa se Faluda is also there. Faluda is a sevai kind of thing and we use it in ice creams. Ask your mama papa that we want to eat Faluda. After completing Vyanjan For we will do Vyanjan B. Vyanjan B. B से बस, ब से बत्तख, ब से बच्चा, ब से बर्फ, ब से बटन, ब से बग्गी, ब से बग्गी. Now here we will learn how to write Vyanjan B. B से बकरी. From line number 2 you are going to start it. Make one standing line joining all the blue lines. Then make a curve like C. On this standing line you will make a curve like C, but remember this has not touched full ends of the standing line. It is somewhere in between the circle. And when you have made this C, cut it like this from the middle. B. This is B. See here how ma'am is making. Standing line, curve like C, then this slanting line in the middle of C and one sleeping line. This is Vyanjan B. Vyanjan B. Standing line, curve like C, then one slanting line in the middle and the final sleeping line. Now children, we will learn how to write on single dot also once again. Here they have started to write like C, but we will write with standing line first. We'll first make the standing line, then where this dot is made we are going to make a C from here, and then we will cut it from between with a slanting line and then this final sleeping line. This is your Vyanjan B. Complete this at your home. Bye bye.